Okay, hi class. I am your teacher Evangeline, and for today, our lesson is about sentences. Okay, Shahani, what is sentence? Okay, very good. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. Sentence can be simple or complicated. They can be long or short. Sometimes a single word can be a sentence. For example, run. Okay, it is a sentence. Sentences can sometimes be silly. As long as the words express a complete thought, it is still sentence. For example, the octopus ate oranges for breakfast. Okay? The subject in the sentence is the octopus and the verb is the octopus ate oranges. Okay? So for today, we have an activity or group activity. Okay? Listen carefully, class. The following group of words: stand up when you hear a sentence. Sit down if they are not sentences. Okay? Magatindog kung ito ay sentence or pangungusap, or magpungko naman kung hindi ni siya sang sentence or pangungusap. Okay? Remember, sentences express a complete thought. They have both a subject and a verb. Okay? Number 1. My sister annoys me every single day. Okay, Shahani, stand up or sit down? Okay, very good. Shahani, stand up, so it means the sentence that I read is a sentence, or the words that I read is a sentence. Okay, very good. Why it is a sentence? Because there has a verb and a subject. Very good. The subject is the sister and the verb is annoys. Okay? Okay? Number 2. Okay, Pedro? Your turn. Run through the trees. Okay? It is a sentence or not? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. And number 3, the last example is Jacinta rode her bike to the park. So, Jacinta rode her bike to the park. So, what is it? Sentence or not? Okay, Kevin. Okay, very good. Jacinta rode her bike to the park is a sentence. Why? The subject here is Jacinta and the verb is rode. So, subject plus verb is a sentence. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Remember class, a sentence is a group of words containing a subject and a verb that express a complete thought. Okay? There are 3 types of sentences. We have the simple sentence, compound sentences, and complex or complex sentences. Each of these sentence types has a unique structure. So, simple sentences. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. It contains a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. So, just like for example, kanina, we just tackle about the sentences. So, our example kanina is kind of a simple sentences. So, another example, simple sentences example. So, Scott was playing tennis. So, the subject here is Scott. And our verb is was playing. Okay? Subject, a simple sentence, subject plus one verb. Okay? That's called a simple sentence. Okay? Remember that, class, huh? Okay, I have an activity for you guys. As a class, identify the subject and the verb in these simple sentences. So, As I was said, identify nyo ang verb or ang subject sa sentences na babasahin ko. So, okay. Number 1. The birds flutter gracefully through the treetops. So, in that sentence, what is the subject? Okay, Selena? Okay, very good. The birds. The birds is our subject in that sentence. So, what is the verb? Okay, Gomez? Okay, very good. The verb in the sentence is flutter gracefully. So, very good. You all remember. Okay, number 2. Okay, Shahani again. Okay, Sashini does gymnastics every Saturday morning. So, Shahani, what is the subject in the sentence? Okay, very good. Sashini. Okay, verb. The verb in the sentence. Okay, does gymnastics. Very good. Okay, excellent. Say next. Okay, let's proceed to the compound sentences. Okay, a compound sentence contains two independent clauses joined by coordination conjunction. Okay, for example, Scott was tennis, so Mia went for a run. So a compound sentence, main clause plus conjunction plus main clause. Okay, our main clause is Scott plus conjunction plus main clause. So Mia went for a run. So that's our main clause. Okay? So that's our lesson for today, class. I hope you learned something for today. And see you tomorrow morning. Goodbye. See you all.